guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got for sale this absolute stunner of a sports bike. It is a Kawasaki ZX10R. This one's a KRT edition. Stunning bikes, claim 200 horsepower, and to be fair, we use one for a track bike ourselves, and they really are mega machines. Adjustable power modes on these. Yeah, you've got your steering dampener there from Ohlins. You've got your Brembos on there. This one's got a Lextek exhaust on as well. Biggest thing on this one, it's only done 11 miles. A used bike with 11 miles on the clock. Literally picked up from the dealership by the guy, and he's really not had a chance to ride it. Stunning bike. Also, they come with a quick shifter with a cheeky little map that we can provide as well. Then you can also have the auto blipper enabled as well at the same time. Mega machines. Like I say, adjustable power modes. You can adjust the traction control on these. And I'm going to give it a start up just so you can hear it as well. Hey, mega bike. Gorgeous to look at. Sounds like thunder going down the road. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike, you've heard it, absolutely stunner. All you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.